Hey, what's up guys? It's Issei. Today, I would like to share how I answer the IELTS 13. This is test 4 and reading passage 1. Okay, let's get started. Cutty Sark. Name. First. Alright, let's check the questions. So there is a false truth not given, and fill in the blank. In this case, I checked the keywords and the first sentence used as passenger ships. So creepers used as passenger ships. And after 8080 carried what as its main cargo during successful time? Okay. The first commercial sailing vessels of all time were creepers. Okay, ships built to transport goods around the world, although some also took passengers. So this is answer. So clippers were originally intended to be used as passenger ships. No, actually, as transporter goods. It would be false. And check next sentence. Cutty Sark was given the name of character in the poem. Alright, that's fine. Okay, open steam. Deep place in Sade. Clippers dominated or built only has survived more or less intact. Username come from poem. Okay, Tom, a farmer, is chased by a witch called Nani, who is wearing a Cutty Sark. So Cutty Sark is a clothes. That's why, given a character, it's not character name. So it would be also false. The contract between John Wills and Scott favored Wills. Cutty Sark was built. Shipping company owned John Wills to carry out construction. Will chose a new shipbuilding firm, Scott Linton, and ensured that the contract with them put him in a very strong position. So that contract put him a very strong position. The contract favored Wills, so it would be true. And the next question is John Wills wanted Cutty Sark to be the fastest clipper traveling between the UK and China. And don't forget this word while you're reading. 1880. Okay, Will's company was active. Tea trade between China and Britain. Speed could bring ship owners both profits and prestige. Okay, Cutty was designed to make journey more quickly than any other ships. Okay. So John wanted to Cutty Sark to be the fastest tea clipper. Okay, it would be also true. And which next? Despite storm damage, beat Thermopylae. Okay, back to London. Journey back to London. However, Cutty Sark never lived up to the high expectations. As a result of bad winds and various misfortune, on one occasion in 1892, the ship and live clipper, left port in China on the same day, crossing the Indian Ocean, gained a lead of miles, but ladder was severely damaged in the storm seas, making it impossible to steer. Okay, and their crew daunting task of repairing, so they didn't repair the ladder at sea and succeeded at the second attempt. Reached Cutty Sark a week after. So Cutty Sark couldn't beat. So it would be false. What next? Opening of the Suez Canal meant that steamships could travel faster than clippers. Steamships posed a growing threat to clippers as their speed and car capacity increased. Opening of Suez Canal was launched had a serious impact. While the steamships could make use of quick direct route between Mediterranean and Red Sea, the canal was no use to sailing ships. Needed the much stronger winds of the ocean, so had to sail a far greater distance. Steamships reduced journey time Britain and China approximately 2 months. So steamships could travel between faster than clippers. Yes. 3. What next? Steamships sometimes used ocean route travel between London and steamships not sometimes. So it's sorry. steam ships make use of a quick direct route between. Okay. It doesn't mention, right? Yep, not given. Captain Woodjet put Cutty Sark at risk of hitting an iceberg. Okay. Tea traders were interested in Cutty Sark. She took on the much less prestigious work carrying any cargo between any two ports in the world, or in 1880, here 1880. Okay, the Byrons aboard the ship led ultimately to the placement of Captain Winner with an income drunk by stole the courage. He was suspended. New captain appointed. Okay. Transporting wood. Okay, one such took 12 weeks. Beating, wow, every other ship sailing the year by. Okay. Hugo carried something, its wool, as its main cargo during its most successful time. And as a captain, and what Woodjet was very skilled. Woodjet was excellent navigator who got the best out of both his ship and his crew. As sailing ship, Cutty Sark depended on the strong trade winds of the southern hemisphere. Took her father's house than any French captain, bringing her dangerously close to iceberg of his grandfather. So Captain Woodjet put Cutty Sark at risk of hitting an iceberg. It's maybe true. And also as a captain and navigator. Velela foremost to the pure damage had caused. So got damaged in the part of the ship. Okay, Cutty Sark approached the end of her life. She became less profitable. She was sold. Portuguese farm. Renamed Vela. Okay. She again carried Mrs. Badly damaged in a gale. She was put into Farmers Harbor in Southeast England for all repairs. Deterred sea captain. So I think damaged a gale, but I don't know what gale is actually, but it sounds like the name of the part of the ship. Which next, between 1923 and 54 was used for, I might see this answer here on a training vessels. So used for training. Circuits twice has been damaged. Damaged again. Where it's Oh yeah, training ship. She continued in this law. Okay. No longer required. Tried to, okay. Oh, suffered from fire. It's not the name of, I thought it's part of the ship, but okay, damaged by, yeah, damaged by fire. Okay, I'm done. Okay, let's check the answer. Test 4. Reading passage 1. Okay. It's false. It's false. True. True. False. True. Not. You're not giving. 2K. Wood. Navigator. Gate. Training and fire. Okay, great. So I'm done, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you guys have any comments or feedback, please share with me. Okay, so I'll keep doing this. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.